done. What are some of the conversations that HR professionals should be having with their leadership at this point to ensure that there's proper health and safety in their organization?
And I'd say it starts with the same thing, a conversation about culture. And I want to tell people that health and safety is not a priority. Health and safety is not only a policy or a legal mantra for you to follow, it should be an entrenched value within the organization because priority changes, sorry. And just as we have life every day, to sustain that life, we actually need health and safety. And without it, an organization is unable to thrive successfully. You may be able to thrive successfully for a short period of time or even into the medium term, but without having reinforced policies, without having a culture that speaks to how you value your employees and value their lives, then you are going to be unable to sustain such success for a prolonged period of time. So that conversation needs to start with value.
Yeah.
And that value, one being health and safety, and the culture that you want to develop within your organization. Your next conversation with them after you've rained home on the importance of culture and human life and limb is the whole idea of leading by example. Because sometimes we spend so much time on creating a culture, employee engagement, but then on one hand we are doing that, on the other hand we may be pulling down the engagement that we are building up because they don't see the management team taking the steps that we want the employees to make. And therefore, over time, the employees become demoralized or they go back to the point where you had them initially because they're unable to see true buy-in from the level of leadership that they would want to see it.
Yeah.
And as much as employees know that you care about them when we have staff parties or if we engage them in championship awards or if we recognize them, they still want to see that it is not an us and them, but it's more about unity on the things that are most important.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.